In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to buy and sell NFTs on JPG.Store. So we're going to get right into it. If you want, make sure to use the workbook and go on JPG.Store using the link that we provide for you. So once you've done your research, you've found a couple of projects that you like and that you can afford, now is time to buy some Cardano NFTs. And what you want to do is make sure that you have your wallet set up, you have enough ADA in there. So if we take a look at my NAMI, I've got more than enough to buy. And with my NAMI, I also set my collateral. So make sure to do that. There's nothing worse than wanting to get something and you've been planning for it in a while and you just don't have enough funds. So make sure to have those things aligned. We're going to pick up something that I like, and that is going to be the Cornucopia's Bubble Jet Sprinter. And I really like these. I like the aesthetics. The royalties aren't too bad, and they have good utility. So with this NFT, you can hold it in your wallet, and you can use this vehicle in the metaverse game. So this relates to Cornucopias, and in my eyes, it hits the top three. So not only does it have good utility because you own an in-game asset, the gaming industry is massive, but the game also looks good. But there's also, I believe 12,000, 12,000 of these NFTs. So they are somewhat scarce and they also look good. So they hit all three for me. And on top of this, they're pretty cheap. So to get a decent NFT like this for, what is that, around $40 USD, that's pretty awesome. So to pick up this NFT, we want to connect our wallet. We do that in the top right, and we're going to hit buy with ADA. And one thing you can do as well, so we'll close this swiftly. What's very important as well is that you check out the policy ID as well as the asset ID number. And you want to go on their website and make sure that they correlate. So sometimes you will have projects that come out with a similar NFT, and the way to verify that is through the policy ID and the asset ID. So this one has the asset ID number with 3332. I know that is the legit one for this project. So go on the website, get in the Discord, make sure you're buying the NFT that correlates with that asset ID. Just make sure that you're buying the right one. So this is the policy ID right up here. And it also has the check mark. So this has been verified. So just make sure to double, triple check that. It can save you a lot down the road. We're going to pick up a floor model. That's because I already own a few. My goal is to have like 30 of these. They also have different rarities. So they have the uncommon. They start at 190. And you could also flip these if you want. But there is the royalties. They even have rare ones. Those are the silver ones, I believe. So if we scroll down, yep, you can see the rare ones. I do own one of these. So it depends on which one you want to get. What do you believe in? For me, I see these being worth probably 1,000 ADA within a couple of years when the game is out. Today we are September 17th. It is 5:20 a.m. I'm working hard for all of you. So September 17th, 2023. By 2024, 2025, I can see these 4 or 5xing. That's just what I think. Invest at your own risk. We're going to pick up one of these NFTs, and you can also use a credit card or buy with Solana or buy with Ethereum now. This is all new. This is really nice to see, by the way. So we're going to click buy with ADA, and our wallet's already connected. So we're going to sign this transaction, confirm, and I'm going to use my trusty Model T in order to confirm this transaction. So allow once for the session. And take your time. If you feel like you're not comfortable with something, then just slow down. You can definitely slow down. There we go. So now you're going to see this process. And I own quite a few of these already. So just wanted to let you know that. So if you want to check out what I have in terms of NFTs, you can go to pool.pm, and this is one of my wallets. So right here I have 14, so it looks like we're gonna have 15 real soon. Okay, so I do own quite a few of these. My ADA handle is Red Cape. That is $REDCAPE or $Thai.ADA. So once this transaction goes through, we will see it in our wallet. We also earned a little bit of XP. If we go to the top right, hit our account, now we can go to activity, and you can see that our transaction has been confirmed just now. So this blockchain's gotten a lot quicker. So here you can see I've got 14 bubble jets in my wallet. So it's one of these, not sure exactly which one, but that is how you pick up an NFT. So how do you sell these? And I'm not going to do it, but I will show you the steps. So if we wanted to sell this, perhaps the value skyrocketed and you want to take your profits, how do you sell? Very easily. You're going to go to sell and click sell. And then you're going to put in your price. Let's say it's a bull market and you can get a lot more. And remember, you're going to have the royalties. So you're going to lose 5% just for listing it. So here you're going to put in $3.49, send listing, and that's what this looks like. And then you're going to sign the transaction. So I'm not going to sign this, but if you want to sell your Cardano NFT, that's what you would do. So we are going to cancel this transaction. I'm going to keep my bubble jet. And for those of you that are interested, browse JPG.Store, check out all the other projects, do your own research, and make your own informed decisions. That's all I have for you in this video. We'll see you in the next one.